so pretty.
You're so pretty.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh my god, you're so pretty.
Okay ka, te?
YouTuber.
Bakla ka, te?
Lalaki.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you a lady boy?
I'm a man. You see? I'm straight as hell, bro. His face. Anong bakla? Ganda mo, ate.
Sarap mo.
Salamat, para.
I'm an Easter bunny. Can I see your Easter egg?
I don't think so.
Streamer si Gogo. Dahil patapon ko ka, ate.
So makita to, pare.
Streamer tayo! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ang dilim, pare. Hindi ka pa na-unlock.
What are you doing?
Looking for a sugar daddy.
Really?
Can you be it?
I don't know. Would it be worth it?
I guess so.
Stand up, let me see you.
You like my body?
Look at the muscles.
Hello po.
Hi.
Taga saan kayo?
Pilipinas.
Yote bayot.
Uy, fake yan.
Anong fake?
Ay ate, pwede pa-kiss.
Sure.
Ang laki ng didi mo ah.
Salamat, pare. Gusto mo yan?
Ano ba yan?
Can I see your Easter egg?
Ganyan na ganyan yung mga nag-ano dito. Pogi.
May nakikita ka pa ba, pare? Tulog na, pare.
Sing me a song.
Sure. I've never known someone like you.
A few moments later.
Ganda ng boses mo, ate. Keep it up.
Oh my God!
Ah, shit. Sarap naman ng bird. Sumata makakita ng gigantic nang wala sa oras eh, no? Gusto mo makita?
Sure.
Gago pa siya. Gigantic, okay lang? Gusto mo may kapatid?
Sure.
Sure! Wait lang, gago. Hindi pa kasi tumitigas eh. Mamaya na pag tumigas na konti. Wait lang kasi, yung makan baka matuluyan ako. Wait lang, gago. Teka.
Sabog ka ba, pare?
Hi, ate! Mga Lexi Laura atake.
Sana all.
Edited yun, te. Edited. Wag ka.
No, it's not.
Ate ko, wag mo kami ginagago dito. Edit yan. Hindi ka maniniwala.
It's real.
Ano?
I promise.
We. Bigyan mo ako ng 3 words na nagpapakilala na totoo ka. 3 words. Masarap, maganda, masikip. Yun, ganun ba? Masarap, maganda, masikip.
Salamat, pare.
O, di ba? Talia, nakakabit lang yung ulo.
Anong nakakabit yung ulo?
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Hindi.
Magkano yan? Kailangan ko kasi eh. Kailangan ko.
Wag na. Maganda ka na kung anong itsura mo ngayon.
What the f*** are doing? Slay.
I'm looking for a Easter egg. I'm an Easter bunny.
We have Mr. Bunny. This is the Mr. Bunny of us.
Can I see your Easter egg?
Can you show your Mr.
Oh
Bunny?
my God!
Bakit ba tayo nag-i-English? Pogi mo, pare, ah.
Can I test my German?
Yes, why not?
Krankenhaus.
Super.
Is it good?
Yes.
9.
Wow, super.
La Fina no Matrix.
Nein, das ist nur German.
Ein Fehler an der Matrix.
Nah,
Mm.
that's
Are
all I
you
got.
trans? Are you trans?
I'm a straight man.
Okay. Stand up. Wow, beautiful.
Pumalakpak ka kung tunay ka. Lalaki, babae.
Lalaki, pare.
Sinabi na nga ba eh.
Problema ka sa mga lalaki.
Meron.
Ano?
Ang sarap mo eh.
Salamat sa
Ah.
makita.
Pakita ka.
Magbabae ka nga, magboses babae ka.
Hi.
Ara-ara, sabihin mo nga.
Ara.
Hindi kasi yan, pre. Yung ano, pang babae.
Hara.
At least dito may mga friends ka dito. O anong isipin mo yung gusto mo doon? Wala kang kaibigan eh.
Huwag ka na magalit.
Putang ina mo naman.
What are you cosplaying? Are you cosplaying or something?
Mr. Bunny.
Huwag mo kaipitin yung boses mo.
Ganto. Hina ng boses niyo, mga totoy.
Cutie, what are you doing?
Just chilling, my brother. Can I see your Easter egg?
No.
Mula sa umaga, ibay ka daw sa hapon.
Ba't di na lang sa gabi?
Lagyan na, dali mo ko dun na. LGBTQ po.
LGHDTV.
LGBTQ here. Kamusta naman ka, sister?
Okay naman.
Ako na prank mo, kala ko lalaki ka.
Eh kasi nakadamit babae ka, nagbabae rin ako. Asawa ko.
Ay, kala ko gay.
O hindi, dati gay. Nakapag-asawa pa rin.
Na ano, na-prank mo akong 3 beses. It's you again!
Yes.
How are you doing?
Look good.
I'm still looking for my sugar daddy. Can you be it?
Okay. Where's your banana?
It's in my asshole.
Good job.
Good job!
Oh, trans. How are you, trans?
I'm not trans.
Yes, you are trans. You look like trans.
How did you know?
I don't like girls. Sorry. If you are a trans, you can go.
But I'm a boy.
I don't care.
You like boys?
No, I like trans.
You like trans?
Yes, you can go if you are not.
No, I want to see you cook. What are you cooking?
I'm cooking your...
Why?
What are you? Boy, trans, girl, what are you?
Boy.
No, I don't like. I don't like boys, I don't like girls.
Then what do you like? I can be anything
Trans.
that you want.
Trans.
I have boobs. I am trans.
You are not. Sorry. Before you said you are boy. You are... Why you are liar?
But you're lying too. You said before you like trans, then you like boy, then you like girl. What?
No. I don't say that.
You said
Don't be lie. I'm not a liar. Don't be lie with me. I said you. Hi trans. You said no. I'm not trans. You said I am girl. You are liar. I don't like girl. Then you said I am boy. I don't like boy same. Then you said I am trans. I don't care. You change. Mahal kita.
Gay!
What are you looking in Omi TV?
I'm looking for a sugar daddy.
Okay. Nice meet you.
Mine tumse pyar karta hun.
I said nice meet you.
I said I love you, bro.
No, sorry, I don't like boy. I don't like boy.
I don't like that boy.
Then what do you like?
Trans.
But I'm a half trans. I'm a half boy. I want to see what you're cooking.
I'm cooking your dick.
Are you Indian or Italian?
I am Filipino.
Nice.
Nice.
Now you're lying to me. Why?
Kamusta?
Okay lang, my brother.
Hello, my brother. I am your brother from mom or from papa?
From God, from Jesus. We are brothers
No.
all together.
But I don't know. What are you looking in Omi TV?
Handsome boy like you.
I am not
found what
handsome. I
want.
am chubby. I'm chubby. I'm not handsome.
You're handsome to my eyes.
No. Thank you, but I am not.
Yes, you are. I
No,
like
I
your
am not.
nose. I like your brows, your eyes, and lips. Who's that?
That is my boss.
Can he be my sugar daddy though?
Can you ask if he can be my sugar daddy?
What?
Can you ask if he can be my sugar daddy?
No, he's married.
Married men can do that, you know.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
He's married and he like girls. Okay, bye-bye. Nice to meet you. Thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.
Mahal kita. Bye.
I think that's it for me for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this episodes of Easter Bunny Girl finding her Easter egg. I hope it's funny. I hope this is worth it, man. So yeah, I'm so freaking tired. These boobs are so freaking heavy, man. It hurts my back. So yeah, I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I'm so freaking tired. I'm sorry. Peace.